Everyone, I'm S. Kirutiraksha and today we are going to see about the industrial designs. So, industrial designs is governed by the Designs Act of 2000, and section 2D of this act tells what is a design. Design is a feature of shape, configuration, pattern, ornaments or composition of any lines or colors that is applied to an article in either 2D, that is two-dimensional, or three-dimensional form, or it may even be both, by an industrial process, and it should not include any principle of construction or any trademark or property mark involved in it. So this aspect of design is called as a design under Designs Act of 2000. So what is design right protection? The design right protects the appearance, shape and the configuration of any article for which it is considered to be a design. And there are two types here, that is registered designs protection and unregistered designs protection. A registered design protection will have a broader scope than the later one, and there are conditions to be a design to be registered. That is, it has to be novel, it has to be an individual character, and it should be appealing to everybody. So these are the conditions to register a design. And unregistered designs arise automatically as soon as a design is created, and these comes under the unregistered design. So what is the term of protection for design? For registered design, the term of protection is 25 years with the payment of renewal fees at every 5-year interval. And for unregistered designs, the term of protection is 15 years and later it enters the public domain and any third person can use this design in their article. So the Office of Design Protection is located at 4 places in India. They are Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai. Kolkata is a headquarter and Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai are the receiving centers. So as the design is of two types, registered and unregistered, you may wonder what rights does a registered design give us. It gives us a right of banning others from copying your design. It gives us a sense of a certificate of ownership. It serves as a proof in court. It gives us a licensed position over the design, and it gives a broader protection than a trademark, and it gives us a right to apply the design to the articles under the class that is registered. So when are the designs not registerable? This is dealt under section 4 of the Designs Act. When a design is not novel, or if the design has been disclosed to the public, or if the design is not significantly distinguishable and it causes confusion or deception, and if the design comprises of any scandalous or obscene matter, in these 4 conditions, the design will be rejected from registration. So what are the designs that are not registerable? So they are buildings or structures, parts of an article, stamps, labels, tokens, trademarks, any article that is contrary to the public morality. So these articles, under articles there are calendars, forms, greeting cards or flags, emblems or any signs of a country. These all will not be registerable under the Designs Act. So what are the particulars for application? There is an application form number 1, along with which 1000 rupees fee of registration should be paid, and it also has to include 4 sets of representation sheets which represents your design in an A4 size paper, and if required a power of attorney may be used and a priority doc has to be attached. So these are the particulars for an application for a design. So this is all about the Designs Act, and the notes given in this video is in the description below. Thank you.